Now it's time for my late night snack. I'm a week out from my show, and my coach has me have 45 grams of whey protein isolate and 16 grams of natural peanut butter as a meal. So I decided to make it a little bit better for prep. I make it into a little ice cream. So what you do is you gotta kind of play with it, but get you a little bit of water. And it's gonna vary depending on how thick you like your ice cream, or if you want a little runnier, which sometimes I like during prep because it gives me a little more volume. So put you a little water, and I got a Nutri-Ninja here, just one of the simple Ninja blenders, and get your water in there, get you some ice, maybe about a cup or so of ice. And what you're gonna do is go ahead, I already have it on the scale, zero out your scale there, get your protein. I'm using the raw isolate protein. This one's a little simpler of a flavor than Samantha used for her pudding last night. And my coach wants me to have 45 grams, so that's not exactly a scoop, but you can just use a scoop, just personal preference. I just need a little more protein for what I'm doing. You got 45 grams of whey protein isolate there. Now just zero out your scale. And with peanut butter, you got to pay attention because a lot of them, the first ingredient on the back is palm oil. That's not peanut butter. This is nothing but peanuts. This is Richards. It's not very expensive, pretty cheap, all natural peanut butter. You gotta stir it. But mine's already stirred. And zero out your scale again, and make sure you get about 16 grams of peanut butter. And if you want a little bit more peanut butter, that's fine. I'm just on prep, so I gotta do what my coach says. So that's about 16 grams there. Now a little trick to make everything blend good. Just throw a little bit more dash of water on top. And the reason I put the water then the ice is so that you can weigh your dry ingredients. Now you don't want to start off with too much water, then you'll make it like a milkshake, which is fine if that's what you want. But I want it a little thicker, like an ice cream. And this is one of those things you're just gonna have to run it a little bit, check the consistency, and then maybe add some more water. So this is gonna be loud. Just kind of pull it. And sometimes that peanut butter will get stuck to the blade. Just take it off, shake it a little bit. Every so often. Hopefully, we got it right on the first try. Let's take a look here. And see, you got you some ice cream. It's a little